Have you ever wondered why some homes and offices always seem to have flawless hard floors, while others start looking tired far too quickly? The secret isn't just the type of flooring, it's the care routine behind it. With the right cleaning habits, your floors can stay pristine, shiny, and protected for years. Before we continue, give this video a like and subscribe to FastKlean for more expert cleaning advice and floor care tips. Hard floors come in many forms, and each one has its own personality. Hardwood floors are beautiful, but sensitive to scratches and moisture. Laminate is tougher but can't handle excess water. Tile is durable, yet prone to stain grout, and vinyl is wonderfully practical, but still needs gentle care to avoid dents and marks. When you understand what your floor needs, maintaining it becomes so much easier. Daily and weekly upkeep makes the biggest difference. Sweeping or vacuuming removes the grit that causes scratches. A damp mop, never soaking wet, keeps surfaces clean without damaging them. And choosing the right cleaning product matters more than people think. Harsh chemicals can strip finishes, dull shine, or leave residue behind. A cleaner designed for your specific floor type protects it while keeping it spotless. Damage prevention is another key part of keeping your floors looking their best. Mats at entryways catch dirt before it spreads. Furniture pads stop scratching. Rugs in busy areas protect the surface and make rooms feel warmer and more inviting. And spills should always be cleaned immediately, especially on wood or laminate, to prevent stains, swelling, or watermarks. Sometimes, even the best routine needs a boost, and that's where professional floor cleaning comes in. Experts use high-grade equipment that removes deep dirt and restores shine in a way that regular household tools can't. It saves you hours of work and helps extend the life of your floors, protecting your investment long-term. And if you have hardwood floors, there comes a time when refinishing is the best option. When the shine fades, scratches become noticeable, or watermarks won't come off, sanding and refinishing can make your floors look brand new again. It's a powerful reset that adds years to their lifespan. With the right care and the right products, your hard floors can stay beautiful, durable, and easy to maintain. Small habits truly go a long way. If you found these tips helpful, like this video, share it with someone who loves a spotless home. And don't forget to subscribe to FastKlean for more cleaning hacks and professional floor care insights.